The TDI binary options indicator is one of the universal trend oscillators, and its author claims that this tool is capable of giving up to 80% of profitable signals. Sounds tempting. Let's try to get to know TDI better. This assistant is based on the popular RSI indicator. With its help, TDI determines the strength of the trend, and a special algorithm neutralizes market noise, and the built-in Bollinger lines help to correctly estimate the amplitude of exchange rate fluctuations. As a result, the trader gets a clear picture of what is happening on the chart. You can download the TDI indicator for informational purposes on our website using the links in the description of the video, and it is installed in the MetaTrader 4 terminal in a standard way. And those who do not yet know and do not know how to do this, look for useful links to installation instructions in the description under this video. Let's take a closer look at the settings of this assistant. The indicator has a rather strange appearance, but in essence it is a compilation of 4 independent indicators united in the footer in one window by a common idea. So the TDI components are displayed on the chart as follows. 1. RSI, green line, signal moving average, red line. Bollinger volatility bands are displayed on the chart with blue lines. Basic moving average, yellow market line. This indicator has a set of standard settings, and all the parameters of its operation are divided into 3 standard blocks. General, a block for setting up indicators and setting up alerts. A detailed analysis of the parameters and our useful recommendations for setting up the indicator to improve binary options trading is better and more convenient to view and study on our website, because it is in the review article that we provide really useful encodings of numerical values and their decoding for adjusting and correcting the operation of moving averages on the chart. Now let's look at the rules for trading on the TDI indicator. It generates many effective signals, and trading with it will be more profitable during periods of unidirectional price impulses, as indeed with any trend trading system. Therefore, assets for trading should be selected with high volatility of quotes, and with a good trend, it is already easy to determine the moment of concluding a deal to buy a binary option. The green RSI line helps us determine the direction of the trend, and if it is above the red one, buyers dominate the market, and the price is rising. And if the situation is mirrored and the green line has dropped below the red one, the market is controlled by sellers, which means a downward trend is just around the corner. Bollinger bands are responsible for determining volatility on the chart, signaling market volatility. And if they narrow, the market is weak, and traders should refrain from making deals. In the opposite situation, when the bands diverge in different directions and prices demonstrate high volatility, it is necessary to increase trading activity. And to buy a call option, we look for the following combination of moving averages on the chart. First, the green RSI line crossed the yellow moving average from bottom to top. Second, the candle on which the intersection occurred is bullish. 3. At the opening of the next candle, we buy a call option with an expiration of 6 candles. And the basic rules for buying a put are as follows. 1. The green line crossed the yellow moving average from top to bottom. 2. The candle on which the intersection occurred is bearish. 3. At the opening of the next candle, we buy a put option with an expiration of 6 candles. As we can see, the TDI indicator can be used in various trading systems, including binary options scalping. Of course, it will appeal to connoisseurs of leisurely trading at a medium-term pace. Obviously, the author of the indicator is right. And with the skills and knowledge of timely detection of trends, as well as the use of additional filters, including volatility filters, this oscillator is undoubtedly capable of bringing up to 80% of profitable transactions. Be sure to test all indicators on a demo account, and do not forget to manage your capital correctly, following the rules of money management and risk management. And of course, choose only proven brokers for trading, which can be found in our rating of binary options brokers. If you liked the video, like it, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with useful and fresh news from the field of binary options trading. Thank you for your attention. Successful trading.